Hello stalkers, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another update on Dubai Financial Market Index. If you have seen my yesterday's analysis, I have mentioned there are two important support levels. First one is right near this moving average. This is 20-day moving average, the blue line, that is somewhere around 3350 area. The second important zone is right here, that is somewhere around 3330 to 3340. Market can come down to retest these support zones and move up. Now interestingly, we are seeing some buying pressure. We are seeing some wick at the bottom indicating buying is happening in the market. We also saw similar kind of candlestick right here. We saw long wick at the bottom indicating buying pressure. But the thing is, we are not seeing a follow through next day. We want to see a green candle, a solid decisive green candle to confirm this support is holding. Tomorrow is weekend. I'm not expecting any big moves. Anyways, markets are very volatile due to the geopolitical conditions. Let's see how the market performs tomorrow and closes for the week. Overall, to summarize the week, we are in red. After this big move to the upside, market tested 3500, got rejected, and from here we are seeing all red candles. I hope guys this was helpful. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe the channel for free updates. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.